It's okay, you will get used to it soon. Okay, so this one, it means like you can use it to remove like acne and also like oil parts like blackheads. And the M2 is in like a separate mode. So the first one is just keep going, and the second one will have a short break. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then the next is a similar one, but have five things. This one. Because this one is quite strong, we will suggest maybe the first session you can start from 2, and then just gradually increase, like if. It's a leaf, so you can see clearly. Okay. Do you see?
The current coming.
Okay. I'm so excited to use this machine.
You won't regret it. It has a lot of functions. Just
Clients, they are like have been asking me that please start. I'm like yes, I'm excited too for the result.